This is a air compressor cylinder fax material, and this head is manual focus V2 BT220 head. It's sealed for the 3kW fiber shots. This machine fiber shots is used GW series anti-reflect type fiber shots. Machine have the DSP controller. It's English panel. It can control machine XYZ, blue, follow, shutter, aligning, pause, start, laser. Machine system is installed in this computer, and this computer is connected to the machine. Let's see how the machine connects papers. This is our air compressor center comes from, and then it connects to this paper to here. This is for air compressor connection, and this is for air gas for assistant. This is the chiller signal line. This is the power source. Because it's 3kW power fiber source, so its power supply is connected with the 380 voltage 3 phases. There is one ground line and three voltage lines. 3kW fiber source is matched with Hanli 3000 chiller. This chiller connection is easy. There is two papers comes from a machine recycling the water. There are labels for those papers connection. This is a fiber source. This silver cell is fiber source. Its fiber source is connected with the chiller paper, water cooling papers, and this paper is connected with a exhaust fan for absorb smoke. It can connect with the home use exhaust fan. And those two smaller water cooling paper is for cooling it's for cooling this laser head. There is a water cooling, and this is a back water paper. For cooling this head is a water cooling type. How to connect the PC to machine? There is a USB connection line and a Wi-Fi data line. Those two lines are connected to the PC, and those are computer connection lines, wire lines. So those total are the machine's papers connection. 3kW fiber source can cut max 3 mm silver and copper. This is the copper cutting effect. It can cut silver and copper also. Let's see the materials. So it's cut high pressures because this machine is used gear transfer. Its cutting pressure is high. If there is any more question, welcome to consult us. We have various different configurations for optional. Also, The machine working size, we have mini potato type 20 by 30 and 40 by 40.